Hi Beanbeauties, Dooney Bean here. How you doing today? Welcome back, welcome back. This is the bag that I have been wanting for a while. That I passed on during the denim craze because I wasn't sure if I 100% liked this silhouette enough to grab it, and I was waiting for maybe trying to get another color because I already had so many denim stuff in my collection that I had just picked up. But then I have regretted it ever since, and I thought I was going to grab this silhouette in this fall drop, but I did not like the leather that it came in. I love the color and I love the hardware, but I didn't like the leather. So this is the bag that I missed out on. It's the Coach Ashton. I have this silhouette, but in the Dooney style. Later in this video, I will share with you the two bags and compare the two different companies and how they handle this silhouette. But I love this. So it comes with this shoulder bag. See, this was part of the reason why I wasn't sure if it fit me, but with this bag, I can add my extenders with no problem, so I'm okay with that. And it also comes with a crossbody. And the thing with this is, and I'll show you in the comparison, is that these little pockets just kind of bothered me a little bit, but the other bags that came out in the different colors, I wasn't happy because all the other ones were silver. The only one that was gold tone, the leather I didn't like. So I'll try to insert towards the end some mod shots for y'all. So I was super happy this baby in my collection. Okay, so here's the front, here's the side, here's the back, here's the other side, here's the bottom, and then here's what it looks like in the top. So it is just a fun little bag and a silhouette that I just adore. All right, let's get the next bag. Okay, I wanted to show you these two bags. These are Dooney and Bourke's bags, and they are called this is the medium banana bag. I also have a small one exactly like this but smaller, and this is the one in the brown, which this is a little bit bigger. See, a little bit bigger, taller, and wider. And this denim, I think maybe the denims are the same. It's just that this one appears to be a little bit darker and this is just a little bit lighter, of the lighter denim. Now, neither one of them does the chain come undone, but this one fits, you know, like a shoulder bag, a snug shoulder bag, and this one fits about the same. This one's smaller, the Ashton's smaller than this one, so I bet you this one is the same size as the smaller one. All right, let me go get the smaller one. Hold on a second. Okay, here's the smaller Dooney bag. So let's see. It's smaller than this one, but okay, so these are closer in size. So these are closer in size. So there's just a little bit something different about each one that I appreciate. So they're the same, but they're not. And I'm glad to have them all in my collection. I'm glad to finally have this baby in my collection. I did show you the comparison and the other part of the video between the Dooney and the Ashton. Now, I think I liked the pockets of the Dooney better, and the mechanism to close the Dooney. However, I liked this better, the strap better, because it's detachable, and I liked that had the pretty chain already built in, but it was too short for me. So there's pros and cons of both of them. I'm keeping both silhouettes in my collection. you just have to use them differently or be prepared, you know, to do them differently. That the Dooney ones, if I want to carry it as a shoulder bag, I would need to lose a little bit more weight. So it's going to definitely be a crook of the arm carry for the Dooney, or this one I can fit on my shoulder, and it's small enough. I keep it light enough that I won't need the shoulder bag. And that worked out. Okay, so if you have any questions about either bag, let me know. I would be happy to do it. And maybe on another video, when I do wear the Dooney, then I can show you how I pack the Dooney. Other than that, I think I kind of covered everything, comparing the two, the pros and the cons about both of them, what I liked, and I'll throw in some mod shots and see if that helps y'all a little bit of how I dressed it. Okay, Bean Beauties, love y'all, and thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Like, subscribe, put a comment in the comment box, all that fun stuff. I'm trying to get to 2K by the end of the year, and I can only do it with your help. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, thank you so much. Love you. Bye-bye.